Dr. Mumtaz Ali Khaji, M.A. Khaji, was one of the famous scientists, academicians, researchers, and administrators of Pakistan who played an important role in the design of science, higher education, research institutes, and educational policies. He was born on 25th June 1928 in Hyderabad, Sindh, while he belonged to Nasrapur. He received his primary education from Noor Muhammad High School, Hyderabad, then DYM from Sindh Government Science College, Karachi, received SC degree. He went to the UK for higher education and in 1955 in chemistry from King's College London. H.D. did he was the first PhD. Later, he further increased his academic qualifications and honorary and fellowship degrees of LLB.DC. Fellows from the Royal Society of Chemistry London have received, including others. After completing the Ph.D., he returned to his homeland and joined the University of Sindh Jamshwari, where he was appointed as the founding director of the Department of Chemistry. Through his own efforts, this department developed into the Institute of Chemistry, which was later named Dr. Mumtaz Ali Khazi Institute of Chemistry in recognition of his services. He was also the Dean of the Faculty of Science and then received the honor of Merit Professor and Professor Emeritus. Dr. Mumtaz Ali Khaji's educational journey was not limited to the university only. In 1972, he was appointed as the Secretary of the Education Department of the Government of Sindh, where he started many important reforms in the education system of the province. In 1973, he moved to Islamabad and was appointed as the founding chairman of the University of Pakistan Grants Commission, presenting institution of the present Higher Education Commission. He developed basic policies for the development of higher education in Pakistan. In 1977, he was appointed as the Federal Secretary of the Ministry of Education of Pakistan. Under his leadership, the National Education Policy of 1979 was prepared, which gained great importance in Pakistan and internationally. In 1980, he was appointed advisor to the President of Pakistan on Science and Technology, who had the status of Federal Minister. Later, from 1985 to 1988, he was also an advisor to the Prime Minister of Pakistan on Science and Technology. Dr. Mumtaz Ali Khaji was the head of many national scientific institutions. He was the chairman of Pakistan Council of Science and Technology from 1980 to 1988. He was the president of Pakistan Academy of Sciences for two periods 1978 to 1,91,90,984 and 1985 to 1988, while he was the president of Pakistan Chemicals Society from 1977 to 1990. Apart from this, Pakistan Association of Scientists and Scientific Profession, Pakistan Council of Research in Water Resources, Pakistan Building Research Council, Sindh Science Society, National Institute of Silicon Technology, Institute of Oceology, Pakistan Academy of Letters, National Book Council, Institute of Served by Development, heads of boards of several institutions including Economics, Universities Coordination Council and Higher Education Committee. He was also a member of Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, Pakistan Sports Board, Sindh Educational Foundation, Institute of Sindhology, Sindhi Language Authority and syndicates of various universities of the country. Dr. Khaji also represented Pakistan at the international level. He was a member of the executive board of UNESCO for many years and led the delegations of Pakistan and participated in several international conferences of UNESCO. He also made academic and scientific visits to Iraq, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Kenya, Egypt, France, Switzerland, Philippines, Sri Lanka and other countries. He also had close ties with the United Nations, UN. He was a member of the United Nations Advisory Committee on Science and Technology, while he was also the chairman of the United Nations Panel on Provision of Financing for Science and Technology in Developing Countries. Along with the Organization of Islamic Countries (OIC), his services were also very important. He was the president of the Islamic World Academy of Sciences, Oman. From 1989 to 1996, he was the Coordinator General, Chief Executive, and Chairman of the Executive Committee of CUMSTEC, where he was the Federal Minister. Apart from this, he was also the Vice Chairman of the Science Council of Islamic Foundation for Science, Technology and Development.